of nature can be observed in a variety of forms, from majestic mountains and lush forests to vast expanses of oceans and delicate coral reef ecosystems. The diversity of landscapes and habitats is awe-inspiring, providing a home for countless species of plants, animals, and microorganisms. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, nature plays a vital role in our well-being. It provides us with food, clean water, fresh air, and medicines, serving as the foundation of our existence. Natural ecosystems perform crucial functions such as climate regulation, water purification, plant pollination, and soil fertility.